Watch there. I say me really not understand why it takes so long for warm up a morning time. At 20 minutes ago, I plug you in, man. I should take you and dash out the window. Sure. Me really not understand how you one can burn gas, sir. I just 2 days ago, I fully up with gas. I'm not going nowhere. But from work to home. Jano Aya, it coming like a gas guzzler on my buy. Sure, star. Sure, watch there. The one thing you put do right, you can't do right. Jesus space. Oh my God. You know, brush my ear right, you know. Trust me. God help me this morning, please. Watch that. Look there. Not one goddamn piece of dirt you pick up. Not one piece of dirt you pick up. I soon dash out of the window and I just last week I buy you. Sure, man. Jesus space. You know, I can't bother you.